Hey, here's a quick look at the scope settings and the different controls you have available with this push and rotate knob on top. You can set the brightness. You can go from day to night mode. I would use the power button for that. Bluetooth is not set up on this version of the OS. Maybe that is something that's going to happen in the future, but I can't guarantee that. It does have Wi-Fi, very cool. You download an app on your phone, and everything that is getting picked up by the scope, you can now see on the phone as well. And you can run the movie on-off controls from the phone, and someone can also watch what you're watching. You can put on recoil activated, although you can only do the movies and the pictures or recoil activated. They interfere with each other. So if you're on recoil activated, you can't do the movies independently. It's either in recoil activated mode or manually, telling it to start and stop. There is a rangefinder, kind of wasn't very useful that I found. The trajectory, this also I did not use very much. The crosshair shape, you can select the different kind of crosshairs. You want a circle, you want just a cross, you want it orange, you want it green, you want it red. You can change all that. This is the location of the shot, and it basically is just information for the system as far as I can tell. Not something I've ever needed to mess with. The quick zero was very good. You put that big one on your target, you move the little one to where the shot hit, you press enter, and then now the center is where the shot hit. Super simple. There's a bunch of other detailed settings. You can format the card. You can set your date and time to have that on your videos and pictures. You can watch the movies back again on the unit. Resolution setting, you put that on high and you pretty much leave it unless you're trying to save room on the card. And I did not play with that. The contrast, didn't play with that too much. The brightness, I did find that the lower brightness was much easier on the eyes, especially at night. If this display is too bright, it just, you lose your night vision in the eye that's looking at the image. And then day-night mode, we're back to the day-night mode again. I would use the power button short press just to go back and forth. I have used, this as well, but it's a little more cumbersome because you have to back out of it when you're done. So backing out, there we go. We're on a cursor. And then there's focusing on, because we're now indoors and we're close by. Okay, so those are the quick controls. Very intuitive, easy to get to learn. The learning curve is pretty quick. I wouldn't worry too much about that. You'll be up and running in no time. HI-SC01 low light IR night vision scope from R&D Workshop. Come check us out.